Hello everyone! Start off by tracing the outline of your hand while it is bent. Then attach a body and then draw some legs as well as some toes. Add some hands as well. Then add eyes as well as some teeth. Add some fins as well as some scales and then color it in as you like. Next, take some cardboard paper or anything that can make an ovular shape and then make a ovular shape out of it on paper. Fold it over before doing so. Once you open it, make it look like a cracked eggshell. Draw some eyes as well as a cute little beak. Also draw some wings. Open and close it. Next, draw a semicircular shape on top and then draw multiple circles within this. Draw the base and then draw a door as well as some windows. Draw some bushes at the back and then draw a pathway to the door as well. You may also add a fence and any other decorations that you may choose to. Once you are done, color it in as you like. Next, start off by drawing a semicircular shape on the top and then draw a semi-ovular shape at the bottom. Add a base and then draw a circular shape in the side. Draw multiple lines heading towards the circular shape. Add chopsticks at the top and then add noodles attached to it. Add cute little eyes and mouth. Next, take a leaf and then make a slit in it. In the half leaf that is present, stick it in multiple places onto your paper. Then add many leaves to make it look like trees and then add it at the bottom. Next, take multiple leaves yet again and then surround the paper with it. In the center, draw an ant. Draw many ants. Next, take a leaf and then stick tape on one of the sides. Do this with many leaves and then stick it in a circular shape. Add some yellow clay in the middle and then add some eyes. Add a stem to the bottom. Take multiple leaves and then stick them on paper to make it look like a bush. Then add a bark at the bottom. Stick some leaves using some glue at the bottom. Take a sheet of paper and then take some green clay and make multiple strands of them. Stick them onto the paper. Then add multiple balls of clay onto your paper as such. Make some small little insects on the side as well. Take a light blue sheet of paper and add clouds to it using white paper. Then take some bubble wrap and then paint it in blue, red, green as such. Add pot-like structures under it. Add it under each of the bubble wrap. Next, take a blue sheet of paper as well as orange and pink. Then take some white clay and line it on top. Line it in the middle as well and then add decorations to it. Next, take a sheet of paper and then trace the outline of your hand while keeping two of the fingers up. Make a face out of it and then add the body as well as some hands and some legs. Add a carrot in the middle and then draw some eyes as well as a mouth and some whiskers. Color it in as you please. Next, start off by taking a white sheet of paper and then draw grass at the bottom. You may extend the grass and make multiple lines on it. Then take a pink sheet of paper, fold it over and then make petals out of it. You may fold it over and then cut it into the shape of a petal. Fold it over as such. Stick them all around. Next, take strips of white paper of different lengths and then stick it. Using a marker, make multiple lines as such and then using clay, stick it all around. Add glue to the bottom and add cut up piece of paper. Next, taking multiple earbuds, stick them one on top of the other as such. Add a door as well as a window and then add some candy at the top. Take some red clay, make a 6 shape and then flatten it. Do the same with one. Next, take a red sheet of paper and then stick stars on it as such. Add lines at the top and then taking a semicircular shape of multiple colors, stick them one on top of the other. Thank you for watching.